Good afternoon. Today I'm going to do a quick installation video on some emergency strobe lights. So far, quality looks fantastic, durable. They are about 10.7 inches in length. They come with suction cups for temporary mounting. They also come with hardware for permanent mounting if you have like a headache rack or push bar. Great for tow trucks, plow trucks, construction vehicles. Plenty of cable. There's like 16 feet of cable. Easy on-off switch. Your mode switch. There's 22 different flash patterns for these lights. Take a quick step outside. I'll get these mounted up on the F-150 and we'll see how well they work. Alright, quick installation video, super simple. Suction cups, I already got one mounted up there. You're gonna stick it about where you want it. Push it firm, it's not going anywhere. Like I said, I got both of them hooked up there. I'm going to hit the switch and step outside and we'll take a look and see how they look. Alright, power on and off, super simple. Other switch right here, that's your mode switch. Like I said, 22 different flash patterns on this light. As you can see as I'm driving down the road, the visibility is very clear from a distance. Quick note, this is being shown through a tinted window and visibility is fantastic. These lights can be mounted on the front window, rear window, even the side windows. Here's a quick little clip just to show you some of the flashing patterns this light kit has to offer. Overall, I'm very happy with the quality and functionality of this product. I definitely would recommend it.